Welcome back to my channel, Math and Language, and we're going to discuss how to subtract mixed numbers. So let's start with the first example. If you could check first if the fractions are similar, like if they have the same denominator, then it will be easier for us to subtract them. As you can see here in the first example, we have both of them have the same denominator. So if we have the same denominator, it will be easy for us. So let's just focus on the fraction. 2 minus 1, that will be 1, and copy the denominator. How about the whole number? We simply subtract them. 3 minus 2, that will be 1. And that is already the final answer, right? Now, I have prepared many examples. So it goes easy to intermediate until it gets harder and harder, difficult. Okay? All right, so the second example, the two fractions here, they are not similar anymore because they have different denominators. So what you will do, you have to check first which is greater. You will know later why, but let's check first. 1/2 and 2/7. We can cross multiply so we can know which is greater. This is 4. So 1/2 is greater. So we will not have a problem in the future. So for that one, let's just focus on the fractions. 1/2 minus 2/7. Let's use the butterfly method to be, so it will be easier. 1 times 7. So 1 times 7 is 7. 2 times 2 is 4. For the operation, you just copy the minus sign because we're doing minus, right? 2 times 7, that will be 14. And that will be 3 over 14 here. Mhm. Now you copy paste it like so. Copy paste, not cut. And for the whole number, we simply subtract them. That will be 5 minus 3. That will be 2. And that's already the final answer. 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 14. Now let's have a third example, a little bit harder. So let's check. So again, they are dissimilar. They have different denominators, 5 and 7. And let's check if the which is greater, 4/5 or 6/7. So 4 times 7, that will be 28. 6 times 5, that will be 30. So 6/7 is greater. So how are we going to do this? We need to ask help from 5, the whole number here, because the minuend should be greater than the subtrahend, or else there'll be a problem. So let's ask help from 5. We subtract 1 from 5, that will be 4, and we put a fraction beside 4 here. So what are we going to put? We base it on the fraction here. Sorry, with the denominator 5 here, right? That will be 4 and 5/5. Now, we add the 4/5 here. Sir, where did it came from? Again, 5 over 5, it is simply 1. And 4 plus 1, this is 1, right? 4 plus 1 is 5. I didn't change the value, I just changed the appearance of the fraction. So we add back 4/5. That will be 4 and 9/5. Minus 1 and 6 over 7. Now let's check if 9/5 is greater than 6 over 7. Obviously, but let's check 6, 7. So this one will be 63. This one will be 30. So we know that it is greater. There will be no problems anymore. Now we focus on the fractions. Okay. Now we do the butterfly method. 9 times 7, that will be 63. You put the minus sign here. 6 times 5, that will be 30. And 5 times 7, that will be 35. So the answer for this one will be 33 over 35. And we copy that one here. We put the equal sign. And 4 minus 1, that will be 3. So the answer is 3 and 33 over 35. That is already the final answer. Okay, what if we have this one? So obviously we know that 3 and 37 is greater than 2 and 1/5. So we will have a negative answer. I'll just put the negative sign here. We already know that the answer will be negative. So what's the technique here? I want you to switch it. So 3 and 37, and you copy the minus sign here also. Copy this one, the minuend. Just switch places. And let's check first which is greater, 37 or 1/5. This is 15, and this will be 7. Okay. Now, for this one, we know that 37 is greater, so we can subtract them. 37 minus 1/5. Butterfly method. 3 times 5, that will be 15. Minus 1 times 7, that will be 7. Over 7 times 5, that will be 35. And equal it, that will be 8 over 35. Now for the whole number, 3 minus 2, that will be 1. Sorry, let me copy paste this one first and put the equal sign. And there you have it. 1 and 8 over 35. Is this a final answer? No. Of course, we go back to the original question. We know that the answer will be a negative, so we copy paste that one. 1 and 8 over 35. So the answer will be negative 1 and 8 over 35. Just in case already know that the subtrahend, this one, the subtrahend is greater than the minuend, you can just switch it, then the answer you put the negative sign. And that's the end of the lesson on how to subtract mixed numbers. If you have questions or in need of clarifications, comment down. Again, this is James, your math and language instructor. Please like and subscribe and also click the bell notification so you will be updated on my future videos. And I will really appreciate if you could like and subscribe. I'm on my way on my 10K milestone. Yes, yes, please help me. And I vow to make more videos about math and language. Thank you. Bye.